videos. I'm going to show y'all what I did to this OptiPlex 7050. I updated the power supply on it to a 500 watts power supply. I was on another video I saw where this guy was putting one of these in there. It's 500 watts and it's small. And how I got it in there, I wanted to permanently mount it. The only way I could permanently mount it, I had to do some cutting. So I cut it right here. Cut the opening open. I know it don't look that pretty, but it's installed and it's solid. And I got it plugged in right up here. I'm going to extend this wire out so I can put it right over here to the side. But right now that's where I got it at. I got it plugged in right here. And my son, at first he didn't like what I did to mount this power supply. With his computer, he called me the other day and he said, I want you to do the same thing you did yours to mine. So I cut the opening a little bit bigger on his too, and that's how I installed the power supply. But how I got the screws in the right place, I made a little paper template. Well, it's already broke. Well, this little paper template, I marked the screws from the power supply and I transferred them right here on the steel. But the last one didn't line up too well. I didn't get it in there, but I got 3 screws in there holding it, and it does work. I am going to update the graphics card. Oh, let me get out. See, this is a 710 graphics card. I had this for a while. I'm going to update the graphics card. It needs to be cleaned. It's nasty. Well, I'm going to update it anyway, and I'm going to put a bigger one in there, along with some RAM. I'm going to put some more RAM in it. But this thing does work. Can't ask for more. It's the only graphics card I had. I had it in my old one, and I used it for many years, and that's what I'm doing to update this computer. And I'm going to continue this. I'm not going to just stop what I'm doing. I'm probably going to update the processor to an i7, and I'm probably going to fill all the slots with RAM. Try to get, what do you call it, 32 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, well, that's what I'm going to try to attempt to do with this computer. And I'm not going to show it online how I did it, because you probably wouldn't like how I did it. My son didn't like it at first, and then he saw what it did and everything. It worked and everything, and hey, I want that too. And before you know it, that's what he wanted. Well, you can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching.